Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. So today I'm doing Necklace to Spike Challenge Part 3, and today I think I will be getting a spiked collar, and yeah, but I think so. I'm not sure, but I won't tell you what last time we stopped on items, but because you can see, you can watch the video of the video of the previous, the part 2 thing. Okay, so yeah, so let's see this guy's trade list. Okay, let's buddy him, buddy him. Yay, he's now my buddy. Do you have a spiked collar? Do you have a spiked collar? Do you have? Yes, long pink. He has, wait, he's a new jammer. How could he have it? Would you trade me for a non-beta? Well, I think it's a non-beta Arctic hood. Will you trade me for a non-beta Arctic hood? Let's see. Oh my god, he said yes. Okay, trade me. I think I'm getting my first ever spiked collar. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's my first ever spiked collar. OMG. Tie. My so much. Oh my goodness. No problem. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, let's make a look with my new spiked collar. OMG. Okay, what should we do? Let's put this and that on. Let's put this necklace on tray because I don't need it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know what to put on. Let's put, no, it doesn't look good. No, Bandy looks awful. Let's put normal eyes, like, those, and this color, and white. Yeah, a white one. And then let's put gray, dark or light. I think the dark one goes good. Okay, so let's put these on. What should I put on me? Oh my god, it's so hard. Maybe put this one. Or this spider mask. Why did I give away my what was it? Pink top hat. I need a pink top hat or something for my head, but not the bandy. Oh, let's put the star hat. Does it look? It doesn't look good. Oh my god, let's put something sharp. How about what? Let's buy this and it will be looking like that. But of course I won't wear it. Let's put these B, and does it look good? B, how about those hair? No, it looks ugly. How about this princess? Why is it not putting on me? Oh, let's put this spiked hair. How about the fedora? How about the P? Why is it P hat? Oh, how about shutter glasses? No, not cool. Oh my god. Okay. Oh yes, this one. I will buy this one. I'm done. Wait, but I will see. How about the beret? I don't like any of those. Oh, they're so awful. Silk scarf. No, I have my spiked collar. Okay, so pink one, and I'm buying it. Where's my spiked collar? Okay, I'm recycling this because I don't need it. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, now I have the perfectest look. OMG. Die so much. Die so much. Oh no, it doesn't want to send. Oh my goodness. Okay, so Nicholas 2 Spike Challenge is done. Thanks for watching. Bye.